We got some nice sunny weather out today. I'm super excited. So we're just gonna start off with my little favorite route here. I love this route. I actually recently did learn about this car that I'm pretty sure it has a 0 to 60, 0 to 100, etc. timer on it. So maybe I'll play a little bit with that. I don't know. The roads should be a little bit warmer today. It's around maybe 55 degrees, which for where I am right now is a blessing, because the past 2-3 months it's been terrible weather. It's been 20s, 30s, even less. I'm super excited to have even weather just like this. It's not the best road to do that on, but hey, why not? This car is so quick. I love it. Whoa. That guy was going into my lane a little bit. That's fun. So for anyone that's new, this is my 2022 Ford Mustang GT. It is in fact a premium. It doesn't have the 401A package, which would come with, you know, the cool screens, the cool gauge in the middle, upgraded leather seats. Doesn't have the performance pack. But you know what? I don't think you really need it. If you guys are enjoying my content, please check out some of my other stuff, and also subscribe. I would appreciate that a lot. I'm gonna start uploading a little bit more nowadays because the weather is starting to nicen up a little bit, and I have the time to do it, so why not? Yeah, Sport Plus mode is really, really nice. When you just put the shifter in sport mode or manual mode or whatever, and you don't shift it manually, it's better than drive. It'll keep the revs up a little bit. It kind of depends on how you drive. If you drive it's a lot softer, it'll still kind of keep the revs a little low, below 2,000, and the torque around town is like not enough to even get up to speed, or else you'll be lugging the engine. But in Sport Plus mode, it's really, really nice. I want to do my 0 to 60. I'm going to go back on that road that we started on, and I want to test it out, because the last time I did 0 to 60, my last video, the roads were definitely a lot colder, and that is in fact not optimal. So I believe it's in track apps. There it is, acceleration timer, 0 to 60. Automatic start. So I guess you have to be in a complete stop to do it. Okay. Accelerate to start. Ready, go. Oh. Oh, look at that. Sport Plus mode, keeping the revs all the way up there. Downshifted right away, back up to 4,500 RPMs. So we got a 5.6 0 to 60, kind of trash. I didn't mash the throttle right away because I knew it would spin, and it did want to spin. Traction control definitely kicked in, 100%. If you play it back, little sign will flash there. That's kind of cool. But yeah, that's interesting. Maybe on a hotter day in the summer, I'll test it out again. Maybe I'll try to get into the 4s, but you know, this thing's rear-wheel drive. It's got all-season tires, and I believe they're not very wide. They might be like 235s. Honestly, don't remember. I'll be completely honest. But yeah. So this setup is definitely not optimal for 0 to 60s, but whatever. Here, let's test out a little fourth gear. We'll do fourth gear and then rolling into it slowly. About half throttle, 3/4, and floored. Great. This road is really, really bumpy, so I don't want to go too fast on it. Oh, someone's got a little bit of tread marks back there. Someone had the same idea as me, but did it in a different spot. I'm actually gonna pull into this little spot right here and turn around. I don't want to keep you guys bored on the same road. Yeah, I really love using the paddle shifters in this car. Really in any car. It makes it so much more fun. In my mom's Beamer, she has the X3 M40i. I made a couple videos on it. You can check on my channel if you're really that interested. It has really, really responsive paddles, and that's one of the things that I really, really like about it. It's so hard to check around a corner like that with a GoPro on your head. It's funny. Let me know what cars you guys have. I'd be super interested to talk about it with you. I love cars a lot, obviously. It's why I'm driving this car. If anyone is watching right now that owns an automatic or manual Mustang GT, mine specifically is an S550 with the facelift, so it is a 2022, so 2018 and up. If you got any like that, tell me how your experience is with it. I want to know. Got a little bit of rattling in the center dash there. I don't know why. I guess it's still technically winter. Feels like it feels like it's been taking so long, and January felt like it took forever to go through, but at the same time it is already almost March. So that's weird thing to think about, but it's cool. Maybe I'll try another 0 to 60. Let's do it. Why not? For the content. I think that rattle might actually just be my key. So I'm gonna start it right over here. A little bit of dirt on the road, but it's okay. Hit OK to begin. Accelerate to start. I'm gonna be a little lighter on the throttle, first gear. Oh yeah, that was trash. It's short shifted at 4,000 in a second. I was a little bit late to floor it in second. I could do much better than that. I'm not gonna do it today, but another day. I gotta give that another try. That was trash. It's tricky. In my mom's X3, it's a lot easier. It's all-wheel drive, so you kind of just mash the throttle. You can brake boost it if you want. I've never actually done that before, but super easy. In this car, it's rough. And if this was a manual, it would be even harder. Really weird, but cool. I don't care. It sounds really good, and it definitely does pull you in the back of your seat. It's nice. I like it. Definitely no complaints about this car. I don't know about you guys, but I hate winter. It's fun until Christmas and New Year's, and then after that, I mean, you got Valentine's Day. I don't really care. It's just I hate the cold weather here. I think if I lived somewhere else, I have a different view on it, but there's just something about nice warm weather, and you take out your car and it's nice and sunny outside. You're all happy. Your friends are all happy. There's something about that. If you guys would like any IRL videos, please tell me in the comment section. I mean, I don't know how many of you guys actually made it this far into the video. We're probably at like, I don't know, I haven't edited the video yet. I'm recording it, so I don't know how far into the video we are, but if you think IRL content would be a little cooler, I'm all down for it. But yeah, I definitely will be uploading a little more recently. Yeah, I really do like the Sport Plus mode. I hate driving in regular drive mode because it's always keeping me in RPMs that are, don't go bud. It's always keeping me in too low of a rev range. I can't even drive. It takes me down to like, puts me in 9th gear at 40 miles an hour at like 1,200 RPMs, and I'm like, I can't go anywhere without causing serious harm to my engine. So that's no fun. But yeah, the Sport Plus mode's, it's doing really good. By itself, I like it. Oh, we are low on fuel. Maybe I should get some fuel today. Let's do it. I am in fact getting a new GoPro for my birthday. Cool little Miata. Nice. So that's nice. I'm currently using a GoPro Hero 5 Black, which is terrible. That's from like 2018. It still does surprisingly 60 FPS 1080p, but you know, it's not great. And the quality, it's inconsistent. I doubt you guys like it. I don't even know how well you can see the interior. This guy's rolling backwards. Oh, you went up too far. I'm making a video.
You look like you're up to no good.
No, I didn't go over 100.
Look at he about to do some extra shit.
Not right now. No, I'm all,
Be safe, man.
I did all my crazy stuff back there. I'm all done.
All right, be safe.
Thank you. Have a good day, dude. That's funny. Yeah, all the crazy driving's done. We're all good. We're all good. That is also one thing about having a car like this and also having a young face. You get a lot of that. That wasn't really because the car, yeah, a little bit. But he saw the GoPro on my head and he assumed I was up to no good, which is funny. And the pops. One thing that I will admit, the LT1 or Camaro SS, the LT1 engine, has over this is it pops a lot more. I'm not sure if that's a new thing, like, because for example, like the 2016 Camaro SS my dad had back in the day, it did not pop like the 2023 LT1 that we drove, we test drove recently. I don't know what that's about, but the new ones, they pop like crazy. Lots of crackles, lots of pop. Well, more so crackles, not really pops. But this car does it too. It does little baby crackles. But that, I will admit, that is one thing that car does have over this. And it also has an amazing Tremec manual that you just don't get in this car. You have to go Mach 1 to get a good manual or a dark horse, but those are just expensive and Mach 1's getting a little old. I'm down for it, but I don't have that kind of money. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys made it this far, I appreciate it so much. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video enough to make it this far. Please drop a sub, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.